Hello, this is Erin from Bridgeville and Southfield Township Libraries. Today we are going to look at the SUMIF and SUMIFS formula in Excel. Let's start with SUMIF. Now these formulas will automatically total or sum a set piece of data according to specified criteria. The SUMIF formula allows you to tabulate a single column against one criteria, and the SUMIFS function allows you to total multiple columns against multiple criteria. So here we have some sample data, and I want to find out how much was donated at the $25 level. So I can use my SUMIF function for that. So I'm on the Formula tab, and I'm going to click Insert Function. And I can either search for the function, but I'm going to come here and just insert it. Now it asks me to specify a range. That's the column of data that I want to look at. So I'll click column B, which is amount donated, and then the criteria that I want to look at. So I want to know the $25 level, so I'll put that in here and then click OK. So $125 was donated at that level. Let's take a look at the plural SUMIFs. So here I'm going to use it to calculate regional sales. And so I want to do that by looking at both the region column and the sales column. So once again, I'll click Insert Function, and I'm going to SUMIFs. And here, I'm going to actually need to use multiple columns. So I'll start with my first one, and I'm going to start out with the sales first. So column C, and then I'm going to need a comma in there, and I'm going to do my next column after that. So I'll do column A, and then last I will do my criteria. My criteria is north. So that looks about right to me, and I should need those in quotation marks. There. That changes it from red, which was incorrect. Now I can do my formula. And $1,055 was the regional sales for the North. And that's how you do the SUMIF and SUMIFS formula in Excel.